Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Laura Monroy, and today I want to show you guys how I contour my face. I like to contour because it makes me look more alive, it makes me look younger, and also gives my face shape a little more definition. So today I will be showing you products that I will be using, mostly drugstore products, which I find they're very good for you to use at home if you're practicing, if you're a beginner, if you have any makeup, any event to attend. I feel like these will be perfect. These products are great for you. I will be showing you guys, and I will also be linking all the products down in my description box so you guys don't have to go and rush and try to look for them. Yeah, so I'm very excited to show you guys how I contour my face. If you guys are interested, I invite you to keep on watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these two. This one is an Age Rewind. It's a concealer, but I got it in the shade tan, which is 2 shades darker than my skin color. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this concealer. It's also by Age Rewind, but this is a little lighter. It doesn't really have a shade. Oh, it's in the shade Nude. So this one's tan and nude, and I'm gonna go ahead and use those two to contour my face. I usually like to start with the light concealer. So I have my foundation on and I did my eye makeup. I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying my concealer. So I'm gonna make sure I have enough product. And you want to apply this product on the areas that you want to highlight. So for example, under my eyes, I like to apply these. I also like to apply it in my forehead. You can also do on the bridge of your nose, which I'm going to do right now. There you go. And on your chin. And that's where I applied my light concealer. I'm gonna go ahead now and apply my dark concealer, and I like to apply these on the areas that I want to contour. So for example, my cheekbones. If you want a smaller forehead, then you can go ahead and apply this on your hairline, also under the jawline, just to make everything a little more contour and define. I'm gonna just add a few drops in there, and don't worry, don't be scared of it, because you can always fix it, so don't worry about that. So go ahead and do that there. I usually do this shape first, and then I go on my forehead. There you go. And also on this side. To go ahead and blend these, I'm gonna be using this stick for my dark contour, and I'm gonna be using this one right here for my light contour. So this one right here, it's a Morphe M536. For my dark contour, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. It's by Innovation Beauty. It doesn't have a number, but it looks just like that. So it's super easy because it can let you get in those areas that you want to contour and make more defined, easier to blend. So I usually like to start by blending my light contour and just go in, and I usually just tap. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush for my dark contour. On this side, on this area, I like to just brush up. I want my cheekbone to look a little more defined, so instead of going up and down, I like to keep this product around this area. So I usually just like to do this up like that, and same on this side. It will all come together, and you just have to be patient and blend as much as you want, or until you feel that it looks good. So I usually just like to tap that on top of those areas and try to make them blend together. So blend the dark concealer with the light concealer. This setting powder that I have here is from Marcel. It's a drugstore powder. It's a translucent as well and is hypoallergenic. I like this one very much because it does not have a shade. It's very neutral and it does not change the color of my foundation or my concealers. And as I said before, I like to apply this on my beauty blender and just a very small amount, and just use it under my eyes, my forehead, and those lines that I have beside my mouth. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some bronzer on those areas that I wanna define, and also the ridge of my nose and a little bit of my forehead. I'm gonna be using this Sephora powder contour. It's a contour palette in powder, and I'm gonna be using, for example, this banana powder here and the one right underneath, which is a little darker than my skin color, way darker than my skin color. And I like to little by little build up my color instead of just going in and adding a lot of color and then trying to remove that. I usually just go in little by little and add color. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my face with some setting spray. And it just gives it a little bit more of a glowy effect. I feel that the more you apply, the better, and it will definitely make your foundation, your contour, and your powder stick together and last longer. So for my highlight, I like to use this Becca Cosmetics. It's in the shade Opal, and it's super cute because it's not super light and white. It's kind of a bronzy highlighter. So this is how it looks like. See, so it's not super light. It's actually very bronzy, and that's what I like to use. So see how amazing is this highlighter. It's so pretty, and I love the shade, and it's super easy to just apply. And to finish the look, I will be using this MAC lipstick in the shade Cream Sheen Pillow Talk. A45. It's a beautiful nude lipstick that it's just my favorite one, and I like it because it looks very natural with what I usually do, and it looks very nice when you have a lot of highlight. That is it. That is the final look. It's super simple, super easy. I feel like it took me a little longer because I wanted to explain everything that I was doing, but if you have more practice, and the more you practice, the less it will take you. So I really hope you guys, this video was very useful to you, and if you have someone that has a hard time contouring, go ahead and show this video, and maybe they will also find it helpful. And thank you so much for watching my video. Once again, I will link all the products that I used today in my description box. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and add it down in the comment below in the comment box, and I'll definitely answer any questions that you guys have. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Ciao.